Hayat, salam alaikum.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, thank you, sir. How are you?
Holy moly, what's this? Hold on, stay still, stay still. Bruins.
Good?
Do you know the Bruins? Good. Salam alaikum. Chetorasti. Hobastum? All right. I know the Pashtun. Yeah. No Pashto good?
No, this.
Yeah, Pashto good.
This, no, you Pashto good. This bad English.
Bad English.
Yeah.
Yeah, see? You need English.
Yeah.
That's good. Right there. You got good chai?
Yeah, chai good.
You already chai?
Yeah.
You chai too?
Yeah, chai
All right. You'll see. Ooh, excuse me. So when you see the bucket, there'll be a little, what you call it here? This tab. You just pry that off, right? And that's trash. Okay, and then these tabs are all around it, and you just pry them off the lid with your hands. Okay. Like that. That's really easy. All right, and then you set that off to the side, and then this keeps the water inside. You see it's all wet, so I always put that like down like that. Wet side to wet side. Wet side to wet side. Okay. Sorry. Just throw that in the trash. First taping. So we keep all the. I like going around the outside first. Okay. Normally I like to start in a corner. Okay. Rolls a little backwards. That's fine. Not approved, but it'll work out. You don't really cover that. Just go with it. Put it in there. Stick it in. Keep going. Push it in the tape. Push it in. Just no, keep going in. Push it in the tape. Push it in the mud. Yep, push it in. Push it in, keep pushing. Now cut the tape. Use your knife. Yep. Use your knife. Pull the tape. Yep. Now put the tape down. Put the tape down. Put the tape down. Or not. You need to put the tape down, buddy. You need to put the tape down, buddy. Hayat, listen to me. Put the tape down. I'll get it. Yep. Thank you. Pick up your. Hey, look. Yeah, get your mud bucket, so you can clean off your knife. Get your little tray there. Yep. Yeah. Good. All right. Safety. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Clean that all up. All right. Learning. Executed well. What did you just say?
Sir, that's good.
It looks all right.
Thank you.
We're wrapping it up. God. First day of mudding and taping for the fellas. Did you scrape? You gotta scrape it off first. Good job. Oh, you got it loaded up there. So, we'll let him finish up the corner. And, yeah. this one with tape?
Yeah.
Okay. Then whatever's left over, we can get the bathroom here. But yeah, we got excessive mudding to occur in here. 'Cause we had issues. Anyway, coming along. So this will get the weedy WEDI, like I